Good morning. I slept in my makeup and it's not looking cute. I'm gonna go make coffee and get ready. Look at this Easter basket my mother made me. Yeah. Recently been drinking a lot of hot coffee because I'm too lazy to make it iced. But it's not bad. Before we go thrifting, I have to work on my internship, so I didn't plug in my laptop. So I'm gonna plug in my laptop and then work on my internship. I like that noise. The goal of that was a transition. I'm probably not going to use it because it probably isn't going to turn out right. I'm going to try something else. Ta-da! Fit for today. Okay, this shirt is like really old from Forever 21. It was purplish and then I bleach stained it, so I dyed it brown. These jeans are originally from Brandy Melville, but I got them from Depop. I'm probably just gonna wear my Doc Martens. Let me put my rings on. This one's from a store called Rose Renewal. This is from Etsy. The spoon one is from Depop. This one's from EVRY Jewels. I don't really know how it's pronounced. And that's my rings. Last time I went to the thrift store, I found this little jewelry holder and I'm obsessed with it. I ended up spending like $2 on it. So I really hope I can find similar stuff today because I want to do a room tour really soon. I'm just waiting on one thing in the mail, and if I find anything else that I can use as like a finishing touch. Going to Savers! That's my current favorite thrift store. It's a little bit farther for me, but they also are like the only thrift store that ever has good things in my area. Also, full transparency, because I film most of my morning with you guys, but not everything. I did eat breakfast, I just did not film it because I thought it was embarrassing because I had leftover Easter mashed potatoes and toast. And I feel like that's a weird breakfast. Current song obsession. I will update you guys when I get there. We're here. The trees block the sign, but that's a Savers. Just imagine the sign behind the trees. Okay, game plan is I don't have a game plan. Except for, I guess, okay, we'll make a game plan. I don't want to grab a cart because I hate being responsible for a cart. Responsibility of inanimate objects in public is my least favorite thing. So no cart, but I do want to see if I can find cute little knickknacks for my room. I'll always look in the lingerie aisle here because I have a lot of stuff that is new with tags. That's actually where I found the bra I'm wearing right now. I will not be showing you guys that, but trust me, it's really cute and it was never worn. And I want baby tees, kind of like this, because I've been finding myself reaching for this in my closet a lot because it just matches like the jeans I've been wearing. But anything that I want is a go. Always mask up. And now for a voiceover because I'm not about to talk in front of people and vlog in front of people at the thrift store. When I first walked in, I made a beeline for the frames and the mirrors because usually that aisle is super crowded because it's also right next to the books and there's just always people standing in the aisle for like 20 minutes at a time. There was finally no one in there, so I went and I checked out. I didn't find anything that I liked today, but I saw a lot of potential in things, so I think I'm gonna start looking in there more often. Hopefully one day I find something like these fish. I don't think they're fun, but they definitely don't belong in my room. Then there was also a ton of really cool looking records. I noticed a lot of them were broken, so if you're a fan of how records look but you feel bad kind of just wasting them, always check out the thrift store because a lot of them had been mishandled or broken and weren't good for much more than just decoration. I also checked out the binder section. There was a lot of cool antique looking binders and holders for photos. I was thinking about getting some for my film negatives. Unfortunately, all of the ones that would have fit my film negatives were kind of falling apart, so maybe next time. And then I found the cutest crystal bowl. The knickknacks section is one of my favorite sections, and if you're looking for the same kind of inspiration, I guess, the current Pinterest trends room, whatever you want to call this, the thrift stores that I've been to always have stuff that fits it so well. Always check out the knickknack section if you're trying to do a little room remodel. A lot of stuff is not more than $6, and just adding little vases and crystals really help get that aesthetic. If that's what you're going for, because that's exactly what I'm going for. There's also just really fun, interesting stuff that you never know what you're gonna find at the thrift store when you're in the knickknack section. There were two vases that I really liked, but I just did not have room for in my room right now. The little like flower one and the butterfly one were so cute, and I had to talk myself out of getting a little wine shot glass because I don't need a wine shot glass, but it was so cute. I did look through the shorts section for just a little bit, but I already have way too many jean shorts, and the only thing that would fit my heart's desires today would have been some low-waisted long like mom shorts or a skirt, and the thrift store doesn't usually have either of those. It took me ages to find anything that I was looking for in the tops. Unfortunately, my thrift store has some older styles of tops, and by older I don't mean like cute vintage, I mean more along the lines of this is what they sold in Forever 21 in 2012, and that's just not what I'm going for right now. I did find a few things. I hate when you find something at the thrift store that really matches what you're going for, but it's in a color that you never wear, because I kind of try to stay away from wearing too much black. And I found a really cute shirt in black, but it's just gonna be too hot to wear that right now, and it's just not me. And the lingerie section is one of my all-time favorite sections to look through, especially at my savers. A lot of stuff is still new with tags that people just decide to donate for whatever reason, and there's a lot of like corsets and bustier tops that are really in style right now. I didn't find anything in the lingerie section, but two of my favorite tops have been found in the lingerie section. This one, way outside my comfort zone, definitely looks like it belongs there. This one, way more in my comfort zone, and I wouldn't have been shocked if it wasn't in the lingerie section when I found it. So you never know what you're gonna find there. And these are two of my favorite shirts now. I also tend to get really lost in things that are a specific brand. I found a Tommy jeans shirt today, and it wasn't a color that I wanted, and it wasn't like a fit that I wanted, but I stared at it for like 10 minutes because of the brand. I also got stared at myself because I was trying to make my thumbnail in several different locations, and I don't even know if I'm gonna use any of those right now. But it's okay. It's getting my confidence up and my ability to do things in public. Okay, ask and you shall receive, or whatever that saying is, because I found two of the things that I specifically said I was going in there to find. That's why having a game plan when it comes to thrifting works, because I said what I wanted, I found what I wanted. It was great. Also, how do you tell a thrift store employee that you want to be their friend? Because there's this girl that's in there every time I come in, and I have the hugest friend crush on her, and I want to be her friend so bad, and I don't know how to just be like, hi, do you want to like get coffee? Just like, what do you say? But I want to be her friend so bad. She seems really cool. Now, two questions. Number one, do I get Dunkin'? Yeah, I'm gonna get Dunkin' because I have a free donut today, even though I already had coffee today. It's fine. And number two, do I go to another thrift store? I'm gonna think about that while getting Dunkin'. Hi, I have a mobile order for Colleen. Thank you.
Hi, and for your donut, we actually don't have old fashioned. We ran out. Do you want a different donut?
Yeah, just surprise me. Thank you. You too. I got a refresher because they're cheaper and I didn't want extra coffee today. And a surprise donut. I don't know what's in it because I asked for old fashioned, but I guess they're out and I can't think on the spot, so I just asked them to surprise me. Donut reveal. Mystery donut, and it is the one donut I didn't want. There, I got a powdered one. It's okay. It's just not my favorite. Oh, it's free. I'm back, and I decided not to go to another thrift store because it's really hot outside, and I'm trying a natural deodorant. It smells really good, but I've been sweating an insane amount, so I just wanted to go home. But I got 4 things. This was one of the very first things I literally saw upon entering the store. It's this really pretty purple crystal bowl. Probably gonna use it as a jewelry holder, and I love it because it matches the other 2 crystal jewelry holders I have, but it's purple instead of clear, so it adds kind of a little bit of color to my room. Very cute. She was like $6, a little bit more on the expensive side. The other 2 I bought on half off days and they ended up being like $2 each. Okay, and then the thing I'm really excited about, because I said I wanted a baby tee, I literally found a baby tee. And I kind of got more basic stuff today, but that's just what I find, because you know, some days you find stuff that's way out of your comfort zone and funky and cool, and some days you just find basic stuff. It's originally from PacSun. It's this pretty coral orange color. It's got lace detailing on the bottom, and it's just a cute baby tee that I can wear with like my low-rise stuff or high-waisted. So it's perfect for like any occasion, especially this summer. And then this, not quite a baby tee, it's just like kind of a crop top. Thought this was a good basic for summer. Just this white keyhole. It's also, I believe Me to We is a PacSun brand as well. Crop top with the keyhole. Super basic, super fun. And then the last thing that I got, oh, and those were both like $4 each, which I was surprised at, because usually things that are brands that I recognize are priced a little bit higher than things that aren't name brands, but I wonder if it's because they're like the Me to We brands, so it doesn't say PacSun on it, so maybe when they're tagging it they didn't know. But then I found this sports bra. I've been working out more. I'm actually going to work out tonight, so I wanted some workout clothes. It's got this kind of quilted pattern on it and then a crossback, just simple, high neck. Really like it. It's comfy and it fits great. So that's everything that I thrifted today, but thank you so much for following me along thrifting. Like, comment, subscribe, let me know the videos you want to see from me. Bye!
Heard you say I'm not the baddest, but you lie. It ain't my fault.